I took therapy for a very short, brief period of time. I would say like 4 to 5 months. I went through only inner child therapy. So usme what happened was, I would say it was amazing, because when the therapy started and when I got to know that these childhood experiences that I was talking about now, I had not spoken about for a very long period of time. I had those emotions in me. I would take those emotions out in front of my parents in a very negative way. I would blame them for it. But जब therapy start हुआ ना, and then I was given the space to express those emotions that I felt as a child, which I was not able to back. I suppressed it, and when I was allowed to express those emotions, that anger, that negativity, वो जिस तरह से बाहर आया ना, it was catharsis. It was a form of catharsis. Catharsis is
खाली कर दिया, but मतलब
हाँ, वो पूरा वो जो बाहर आया ना, I felt after 2 to 3 days of those sessions, I started viewing my mother in a very different light. I started understanding कि वो जो हुआ, it's okay. I do not have to have conversations with her based on how she had treated me and how I felt back then.
See, just let's pause here. Stay with this. Because people normally believe कि यार हम अगर बचपन के ट्रॉमा की वजह से हमको प्रॉब्लम्स है और हम ट्रॉमा की बात करेंगे तो वी विल हेट आवर पेरेंट्स मोर, या तो फिर हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारी जिंदगी खराब कर दी और अब जब हम ट्रॉमा के ऊपर काम करते तो वो सारी मेमोरीज बाहर आएंगी, तो वी विल स्टार्ट एक्चुअली हेटिंग आवर पेरेंट्स मोर एंड वी विल ब्लेम देम फॉर व्हाट रॉन्ग दे डिड, एंड हेंस हमारे रिश्ते एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स के साथ खराब होंगे.
नहीं, आई फील मेरा रिश्ता मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ, और it has progressed a lot. It has become beautiful, because now I understand from where she was functioning as well, from the space that she was functioning. She had gone through a lot as well. I'm not justifying all those things, but at least मुझे
understanding है.
हाँ, understanding है, and now I'm able to deal with those. Now she seeks solace in me, because दोनों में से कोई एक को होना चाहिए ना. So if she was not able to do that, and now I do understand from where she was functioning, I am able to provide for her.
So there is more acceptance for your mother.